and this is About Face with Mona. Thank you all so much for stopping by my channel today. I appreciate when you give me your time so much. I know how valuable time is and how many channels there are out there. And I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for everybody who has supported me in this journey so far. I still have a long way to go, but I've come a long way too. Boy, those first videos were something else. 2020's goal is to give you the greatest content that I've given you so far, and things that you really want to see and things that can really benefit you. So today, what we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about mature makeup for winter weather. So in the winter, the weather is colder, the wind is blowing harder, it's easier to get that chapped skin. So what kind of products work best on the mature women during a season when our skin is chapped and drier? That's what we're going to explore today. So if you're interested in any of that content, then press the subscribe button. Maybe give me a thumbs up if you'd like. If you'd like to be notified of future videos that drop, make sure that you hit that little bell. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, and I sure do appreciate you being here. So without further ado, let's get into this look. I've already washed my face, already moisturized it, and everything except put my SPF on. So I'm going to use my favorite SPF RX. It is a mineral sunscreen. So I'm going to go in with a primer. This is a hydrating primer by Unicorn Glow. This actually felt really good, and it feels really soft. Right now it's winter and I really do want a hydrating primer. This is going to go on while I am putting on my makeup so that my lips can kind of get unwrinkly. I'm going to leave that on. I am still really happy with my Ghost Democracy purchase. This is the eye cream. This moisturizes under my eyes. It gets rid of the bags under my eyes. It has bakuchiol in it, and I feel like it has reduced a little of the lines around my eyes, combined with the Retin-A. I can't really tell which one did the trick. I want a Retin-A, or a retinaldehyde, or a retinol, if you can use it, or a Retin-A alternative. You want, in my opinion, an alpha hydroxy acid or a beta hydroxy acid, some type of exfoliator. You want a good skin cleanser, and in that, I have discovered that I love balms, but that I can use an inexpensive balm and get the same effect as a more expensive balm. And then for my second cleanse, I have found that I really like the Ghost Democracy line because it has niacinamide in it, it has bakuchiol in it, it has alpha hydroxy acids in it, and so it's doing gentle exfoliation every time that I wash my face. And it's at an excellent price point. It's cruelty-free, vegan-free, made in the USA. When I want my face moisturized, I can use $300 moisturizer, or I can use my CeraVe, or I can use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, which is wonderful, by the way. Or I could use the $90 Bio Erase Cream, and they've all done the same thing. They've moisturized my skin, and in doing so, they have reduced fine lines and wrinkles. There are some ingredients that I do prefer over others. All I'm saying is just be thoughtful. Okay, we're going to go in, and this is my RMS Uncover Up Foundation. Little pot. Travel friendly, lasts a long time, mid-range price point, has great coverage. It's a great winter foundation because it is hydrating, it provides good coverage, it is cruelty-free. RMS is a clean beauty line. Comes with its own little brush so you can kind of get that cream in there. Cream is such a nice texture and a nice product to use during the winter. My face is crying out for kindness. And this product really gives it to me. It does not settle into my fine lines or wrinkles. It can give you kind of that no makeup look, or it can give you a heavier look. It's buildable. But to me, it kind of still looks like skin. I think this is a good product for younger skin as well as more mature skin. I am working right now on my favorites and fails of 2019. I'm really looking forward to that video. I think that's going to be a lot of fun. It's just taking me a little time because I want to do a really good job on it and give you guys some good information. Between this and this Unicorn Glow primer, my skin actually feels really good. My skin's been a little tight and it's been a little dehydrated. I think after my flights and after being in the colder winter in Boston, this just feels so good. So these are two really, really lovely products. This is another good product for the winter. This is the Vanapleat ointment for sensitive skin. This is a skin protectant, dry skin care. This is really good to put underneath your eyes and around your mouth or on your lips when you are, before you put on your retin-A in the winter, on any place that you don't want to get sensitive. It's inexpensive and it is excellent. I'm going to go in with my NYX Dark Circle Concealer Corrector. I'm going to go on top of that with the little Too Faced Born This Way Concealer, Contour, Highlight, and Retoucher. I have really enjoyed this product this year. This is probably going to show up in my favorites. We're going to go in with my Prime Time by Bare Minerals. Just a little bit. Okay, so we are going to continue with our winter-friendly face makeup. I am going to go in with my cream blush. I do like my creams, and I think that in the winter, when the weather is cold and your skin is just getting beat up by wind and cold temperatures, that cream makeup is so soothing and nice for your skin. And it doesn't matter your age, but definitely for mature skin. Okay, so we're gonna go in with our Physicians Formula Organic Wear Dewy Blush Elixir. I love this blush. It is very good. It is at a very good price point. It comes in beautiful colors. And it is a perfect creamy blush for winter skin. And you can have a lot of pigmentation or you can have a little bit of pigmentation. I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. So we're just keeping with the theme of hardly any powder. Probably the only powder I'll use will be the set at the very end. I just think creams and liquid products are so perfect for this time of the year. Nah, you just went out. You are playing games with me. You're trying to use those little baby wines to get me to do what you want. Okay. So let's go to our next winterized makeup product. We are going to move in a little bit closer and we're going to go in with our eyes. I'm going to use cream eyeshadows on my eyes, which I love any time of the year. These are by Chanel. This is an easy look. This is the color 804 Scintillance. We're going to go in also with the color Silver Pink. So for cream eyeshadows, you can either put them on your lid with your finger, or you can use a flat brush. These are very beginner friendly. You can take your finger and you can just use one cream eyeshadow. You can use two, or you can build a look. And even that one color just, you know, gave my eyes a little hint of shimmer and brightened them up. Now I'm going to go in with the second color, which is the silver pink. I'm going to draw a little line up. I'm going to go slightly above my crease line because of my hooded eyes. And I'm going to pull that down at a slight angle. I'm being a little precise here, but it's not necessary for you to be precise with cream eyeshadow. You can literally just blend it in with your finger. And then I'm just going to pull it across a little bit. It's easy to blend and it's also easy to shape. If you use a brush and you want a more precise look. I'm going to go in the other side. And I'm just doing the same thing. Now I'm going to bring it over a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Empire. I'm going to take this little smudger brush and I'm going to smudge that upper line. Okay. Now I'm going to try my Big Ego mascara by Tarte. Look at the two pictures. So you see that first eye and you see the second eye? Let's see if it does that for me. It's the brush. So here's the first coat compared to the eye with nothing. Let's do a second coat. Second coat. For my cream highlighter, I'm going to use the Aglow Cream and the IT Cosmetics Holiday Book. Then we're going to go in with the Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. This is very creamy. So this is a total cream look. So this is a total cream makeup look. Except that I'm going to give it a little dusting of powder. Look what Rambo did. And look what Gabby did. Yep, gotta love them. I'm gonna go in with this brush, and I'm gonna go in with the Bye Bye Pores powder pressed instead of my loose powder. And this is the only powder that I'm using. It's just a light coat of this just to set everything. And the whole rest of my look is cream. So it feels so good on my skin in the winter. And I think you can get very pretty cream looks. You can get them more dramatic, more bold. You can get them more natural, same as you can with any palette. So if you haven't tried creams during this winter season and you're finding that your skin feels parched, go get you some creams and try them out. And there are more affordable drugstore versions. I have a mix in this look. I also have the Revlon cream eye palette that I really love, that I've shown you guys before. So it doesn't have to be Chanel, although I do think that this gives a pretty look. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be working on my favorites and fails of 2019, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everybody.